So you might be in a random situation where for some reason you cannot switch TikTok accounts. So maybe you're right inside of the TikTok application, but whenever you go inside of it, it doesn't allow you to switch into a different account or something along those lines. Now, if that ends up being the case, if you're right up here, you cannot switch to a different account or whatever, the first thing I'd recommend doing is try updating your TikTok application. Sometimes you might just have to update these applications, and that might just be the way that ends up fixing it for you. So go inside of your Apple App Store, your Google Play Store, whatever you have, and all you're going to want to do here is basically update your TikTok application. So click on the search bar, click on TikTok right over here, and all you're going to want to do here is basically update this app. So come right into here, click on the update button right here, and all you're going to want to do is go and click on update, and then it will just start automatically updating the application. So that's basically the main thing you're going to want to do here. Now, as soon as you do that, you want to go back into TikTok and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to double check your internet connection. So go inside of your internet settings or your iPhone settings, whatever you have. Go ahead and double check with your Wi-Fi connection or your internet connection. And all you're going to want to do is make sure that your internet connection or your cell phone connection, all that stuff, is perfectly good. Sometimes that might be the main issue that you're running into. So all you're going to have to do here is basically make sure that your internet connection is good. And if that's still not fixing the problem, you might want to try restarting your phone, and that could end up being the main way to fix it as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.